3.2 Rough cut, sync audio and video. Assemble the best takes in order. Add basic timing, pacing, and transitions. Insert placeholder text for graphics or effects. 3.3 Fine cut, tighten pacing, trim pauses, fix continuity. Add B-roll to cover cuts or illustrate points. Add temporary music to shape tone. 3.4 Audio post. Remove noise using filters or noise reduction tools. Equalize voice using EQ. Improve clarity around 3 to 5 kHz. Add compression for even loudness. Mix music under dialogue, typically -18 to -24 LUFS relative. Master to the platform's loudness requirements, e.g., YouTube approximately -14 LUFS. 3.5 Color work. Apply correction. Balance white, adjust exposure, standardize skin tone. Apply creative look, or LUT, if needed. Match shots so they feel seamless. 3.6 Graphics and titles. Add lower thirds, chapter titles, branded colors. Insert logos, motion graphics, or animated elements. Add captions/subtitles according to client's style guide. 3.7 Final export render in required formats. For example, 4K MP4, 1080p vertical versions. Use appropriate bit rates, for example, 50 megabits per second for 4K. Double-check color space, audio channels, and caption files. 4. Client review and delivery. 4.1 Review process. Upload draft to a review platform. Frame.io, Vimeo Review, Google Drive. Invite the client to comment on timestamps. Gather revision notes clearly. 4.2 Revisions. Apply fixes, timing, color adjustments, audio tweaks, graphic changes. Send a revised cut if needed. 4.3 Final delivery. Provide the final video files. Supply alternative formats, social media cuts, teasers, vertical versions. Deliver caption files, thumbnail images, and raw assets if included in the contract. Archive the project properly. Subscribe for more tips on how professionals create indoor videos. Thank you.